All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get reward back in Bitcoin, 1% back on Drip Network, 365% of your initial investment, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Saitam Inu, news and updates, Lilly Finance not being with them anymore. Boom, big things going on. Also, go to their Twitter account, go to their website, check out, do a price prediction. And we're going to talk about the Super Bowl commercials, two of them particularly. Coinbase was ranked as the #1 Super Bowl commercial, and FTX was ranked as #4. Pretty cool. All right, Super Bowl commercials and Saitam Inu, fantastic. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yeah, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Hey, sorry we're off a little later than noon today. The Super Bowl party yesterday. Kind of got distracted, had all kinds of things going on. What you think of the game? Cincinnati Rams. I liked the game a lot. Congratulations, Los Angeles Rams. Happy for them. Cincinnati, fantastic job. I mean, second-year quarterback. First-year wide receiver, Jamar Chase. I mean, he's fantastic. Awesome job, Cincinnati. All right, everybody, let's head over to Saitam Inu. All right, over here, coin market cap. Saitama is 28.57. It's down 20% in the last 7 days. And it has a little bounce back of 5%, so it's only down 15%. Ding, ding, ding. Is this a discount buy? Is this a buy in the dip scenario? Clicking it. All right, over here, it's up 4% in the last 24 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and a 1953. We'll come back with a price prediction here. So in the last 24 hours, look at it's making its way back up, which is fantastic. There's that 5% right here that you're seeing. But let's look at the last 7 days. 7 days. So look at the little up right here. Here's that 5%. Here's that 5% tick up. But in the last 7 days, the coin was over here, so it's drop. Discount buy? Buying the dip? I don't know. You tell me. How's the holders of Saitam Inu? Clicking it. Coinbase was the best advertisement, they're saying. And a crypto commercial. You heard it from Frank's Crypto Corner first. I was saying it a month ago. All right. Saitama, 90 days ago, had 240,000 holders. Today, they got 331, 90,000 more. 90s, about a 38 to 40% increase. Fantastic, everybody. Liking that a lot. So, Saitama, let's go to some news and updates. All right, here, Saitama drama. Here's why Lilly Finance won't be part of Saitama Mask. There's our Saitama. This is the big news of what's going on here. Saitama community had a high expectation for the launch of Saitama Mask. However, several setbacks later, the app was trying to bounce back. During the process, several coins that were scheduled to be listed on the app decided to steer away. Lilly Finance was the latest to do so. Lilly Finance was part of the first wave of tokens that were scheduled to be listed on Saitama Mask. This listing was constantly delayed. See, if you don't do what you say you're going to do, some people don't like that. Multiple delay later, Lilly Finance decided to drop its partnership with Saitama Network. In recent press release, Saitama released that the delay was due to network efforts in formulating safe space for users. Lilly Finance decided to go ahead with an alternative for its launch. And right here, this is actually on their Twitter account. Statements regarding the Lilly Finance termination agreement. Saitama's priority to provide the best user experience of Saitama Mask as a primary platform of the ecosystem. We will not launch the feature until we are confident with the functionality. As part of our process to build safe, high-quality experiences, we delayed the launch of some features, including the swap function. This caused a delay in the launch of Lilly, where we do expect to fully launch the swap function soon. Lilly made the decision to explore alternatives to their launch. We were surprised and disappointed by Lilly's Finance immediate termination of business partnership. While we will review our legal options, Saitama LLC will continue to move forward by doing what is best for our community. Furthermore, pointing out the fact that the network had nothing to do with the launch of Lilly, Saitama CEO stated. All right, amidst the drama, Lilly Finance managed to score a listing on a prominent exchange, Uniswap. The firm is set to make its debut later today on the decentralizing exchange. Very excited, Lilly Finance tweeted. So fantastic. So right here on Saitama, Lilly Finance is not going to be with you. All right. So there's a little update on what's going on with Saitama. We'll come back and do a price prediction. So I was saying it a month ago. I was saying it 3 weeks ago. I was saying it 2 weeks ago that the best commercial cryptocurrency. The best commercial was going to be cryptocurrency. Well, let's see what they said. It says number 4 is FTX. What is the number 1? Oh, I don't know. I mean, I did know a month ago. Let's see. So right here, the 10 best Super Bowl ads of 2022. At number 10, Planet Fitness. All right, Planet Fitness is number 10. Number 9, Amazon Studios, Lord of the Rings of Power Trail. Number 8, the Nissan. A lot of people like the Nissan commercial. Number 7, Irish Springs. Welcome to the Irish Springs. Wonder if there's any crypto commercials. Number 6, Squarespace, Sally's Seashells. All right, we'll go back and listen to that. Number 5, General Motors. There you go, making it great. Now remember, all these commercials, $7 million for $7 million for 30 seconds. Holy cow! Hey everybody, there's a crypto commercial, FTX. We're gonna play this one, and we'll see if there's any other ones. This is the number 4 commercial. All right, everybody, here's the FTX commercial that we were seeing at the Super Bowl.
I call it the wheel.
I don't think so. This is a miss.
Brother David, behold! The fork!
I got 10 forks right here, baby! A toilet? We're not animals. We go outside like humans.
Hancock!
No king!
The people shall have the right to vote!
Even the stupid ones?
Yes!
Edison, can I be honest with you? It stinks. Nobody's going to the moon, ever! Why not? It's far, it's too far, it's far!
の未来はフォータブルミュージックです。
バカか！出ていけ！語りがいてもいるぞ！語り！
Like I was saying, it's FTX. It's a safe and easy way to get into crypto.
I don't think so. And I'm never wrong about this stuff. Never.
All right, so the FTX decided to go with Don't Miss Out. All right, number 3, Rocket Mortgage Fieldhouse. There you go, number 3. Number 2, wonder if there's a crypto commercial at number 1. Number 2, Lay's potato chips. And the number 1 spot goes to Coinbase. Let's play it. Yep, here it is for 59 seconds. I'm not going to play it for 59 seconds. I'm only going to go for like another 3 to 5 seconds. But this right here, this is the number 1 ad. It's a Coinbase cryptocurrency QR code. So no soul stirring, not a bit, but cryptocurrency exchange, Coinbase. Super Bowl spot was a moment marketing unlike any other in this year's big game. And here's what it says. Had the ad just been 15 seconds, casual viewers might have shrugged off the odd spot and gone back to their snacks. But running the ad for 60 seconds in the spot, the music became increasingly curious, inducing until finally many of us had to pull out our phones and scan it. In the night defined as a crypto players working hard to get your attention, Coinbase leaps past simple brand awareness and directed engagers viewing by the millions. Bonus, it's also finally proven that all those 2007 era QR code evangelists are right. So there you go, everybody. Coinbase gets the number 1 spot. The QR code bouncing around. I mean, it actually said that when it was bouncing around for about 15 to 16 seconds, everybody kind of got, what is it? What is it? And then everybody had to pull their phone out. And you pulled your phone out and you went and you scanned it. And eventually you found out it was Coinbase. So for 60 seconds, so what is it, 7 million? They spent $14 million to have a bouncing QR code. I mean, pretty awesome stuff. All right, everybody, give us your comments in the bottom. What did you think of the Super Bowl ads? Number 1 Super Bowl commercial, cryptocurrency. Number 4, FTX. Called it here, Frank's Crypto Corner. Go back a month. I was saying the best Super Bowl commercial was going to be a crypto commercial. I just didn't know which company it was going to be. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, let's head back over to Saitam Inu, price prediction. Check out their website. All right, over at the website, Fostering the Future of Finance. Welcome to Saitama, a community-driven platform promoting financial well-being by empowering people of all ages. Culture is in control of their money and creates their own wealth opportunities. Saitama token is our medium. It was built on the Ethereum blockchain, ERC20, with smart codes to make this safe investment and beneficiary to hold. Their mission is to educate the next generation of investors and make financial well-being accessible to all.
Welcome to Saitam Inu. We are a global community of committed individuals, building a platform that will help people understand money and create their own wealth opportunities. We come from different places. We speak different languages. We have different codes, but we share the same dream. We believe in a world bound together by human connection, and we foster this vision by building financial tools and a content publishing ecosystem that will make financial well-being accessible to people of different cultures, ages, and economic status. Start seeing returns today by investing in tomorrow. Join us at Saitama Inu.
All right, we always like that. It's right on their own website. We'll read this. Although digital currencies have been around for over a decade, we're still at the early stages of the revolution where the society redistributes wealth and giving anyone the chance to attain financial freedom. The bulk of the next generation of investors is not yet to join, but for the global decentralized finance to become reality, they will need to overcome technology's hurdles, but to simply understand how money works. This is where Saitama comes in, providing tools and contents that make people comfortable with the money they invest, opening opportunities for wealth creation. All right, Saitama. Over here at our coin market cap, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and a 1929. My price prediction is the 7 zeros and a 2222. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. It could be a discount buy right this second, down to 15%. Right there, it's down 20% for 7 days, but it did bounce back for 5%. All right, everybody. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial planner. We're just friends here. But thanks for tuning in and listening to Saitama. Lilly Finance is not going to go with them on this one. The delay was they just decided to not do it. And the number one commercial on cryptocurrency, you heard it from Frank's Crypto Corner a month ago, cryptocurrency Coinbase. All right, that bouncing QR code. Hey, everybody, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click right here if you want to make 1% a day for 365% on your initial investment with Drip Network. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you a little bit later on today.